Hello everybody, my name is Marouan and I'm Senior Publisher and Advertiser Manager at Adcash. Today, I will be answering some of the most frequent questions for publishers. So, the latest updates in the Adcash platform are auto tag solution, which I will be covering in the next question, anti-ad block tags to be able to monetize the traffic that is using ad block, a referral program that will allow you earn 5% lifetime bonus by referring other publishers to Adcash, new payment terms that will give you as a publisher the total freedom to decide when and how often to get paid, and last but not least, a loyalty program that will prize the most loyal and regular publishers with premium payment terms. AutoTag is one single piece of code that contains our top performing ad formats: pop, interstitial, and in-page push. Ads and ad formats will be rotated automatically for the maximum earnings. The payment methods available in Adcash platform are wire transfer, also known as bank transfer, PayPal, BTC, and USDT. Each one of them has a different minimum threshold in order to get paid. For more information, you can contact your account manager, check Adcash website or blog, and also check our YouTube channel. Well, and this has been all for today. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any news from Adcash or the AdTech industry. If you have any comments, please drop a comment below or write an email to contact@adcash.com. Until the next time.